What's going on, folks? Once again, Nev from Nev's Tac Bits. We're continuing the outdoor computing test. So we got a second generation i5 EliteBook. We're running World Community Grid on this thing, running it outside because the electrician told me, geez, I'm doing so much that's good. It's air conditioned. It's really not good for the environment. We're trying to be good to Mother Nature. Yeah, I'm getting some liquid cooling over here, river water and stuff. And if this thing gets too hot, I'm just going to throw it in there. What can I say? Text from Seattle, tech people, they keep saying that raw water's the best. So I just come out and have a big whiff of this every morning. That's some good stuff. So it did turn off overnight, but other than that 24-hour test, it ran okay. So I'm going to run this thing continuously, and we'll do an update in about a week, and we'll see how it goes.